Hello everyone. If you want to turn off auto pays on eBay, so whenever you order something, it's just pay like the method that you used before. So you want to turn off that kind of payment as possible. So I will show you step by step how can you manage to turn off auto pays on eBay. So try to go to your eBay on your device first. Okay. So and then if you haven't logged into your account, don't forget to sign in your account here. What you need to do next is try to go your profile here. You can see hi and then your name you can see here. And then you're gonna see account setting on your left corner. Okay, so here you can check a lot of detail like personal info, selling, payment information, donation, or account preference. On it also have like buying, sell, EV company about events and helps and contact, whatever you want you can get help from here. Okay, so here we want to close our payment, right? Just click payment. And then you can see if you already add your card or if you already add your payment, you can see here. So in some case, so if you already add your credit cards or debit cards, what you need to do is trying to delete your account here. You can also make a payment when you check out your order. So you don't need to put your cash and account here. On off if you just want to comfort when you use your evil and you don't need to type again your card numbers, your names and your expire date, you can use this method. But in some case, you want to change other payments like Apple Pay or PayPal or whatever method you want to use sometime. So you need to remove your card from here first. So this is how can you turn off autopay. So after turning off, try to go like find something that you want to get. So if we find micro machine here and then just click it and I will see you how can you put your payment. So if you sure you want to buy it now, just click it and here you can pay a larger thing. If you want to pay with your papers or not, if you want to pay with Google Pay, whatever you like, you can pay. So as I mentioned before, if you already add your card will be instantly here like this. Your card numbers and expire date they already successfully insert on your here. So if you don't want to pay with the same method as you mostly do, you can choose other method as well. So trying to close your card and try to remove your card from your setting first and then you can get easily pay with auto payment. So this is how to turn off auto pays on eBay. I hope this video gonna help you a lot guys. Thank you so much.